This is the GAMAKAY LK67. It is an awesome keyboard. It is a 3-mode keyboard, and as you can see in the box it has the 2.4 GHz wireless. This came with silver switches, silent, and also a Type-C cable and your switch puller and keycap puller. And if you go to the GAMAKAY website, you can download the driver for this keyboard and you can fully customize it from macro to the light and also what you want each key to do, and that's amazing. Such a beautiful keyboard with the extra LEDs there, and honestly it sounds awesome.